Biological development refers to the process by which living organisms, including humans, grow and mature from the earliest stages of life. It begins with the formation of sperm cells in males and egg cells in females. Fertilization occurs when a sperm cell successfully combines with an egg cell, resulting in conception. After fertilization, a zygote forms, which is the earliest stage of development. The zygote then undergoes rapid cell division and differentiation, becoming an embryo. As the embryo continues to develop, it forms a blastocyst, which is a hollow structure with an inner cell mass. Heredity plays a significant role in biological development. Genes, which are segments of DNA, carry heredity information and determine various traits and characteristics. Genes are organized into structures called chromosomes, with humans typically having 23 pairs of chromosomes. The pair of chromosomes responsible for determining an individual's sex are called gonosomes, X and Y chromosomes, while the remaining chromosomes are called autosomes. Maturation refers to the process of reaching full physical and mental development. It involves various changes and growth that occur throughout an organism's lifespan. Eugenics is a controversial concept that deals with improving the genetic quality of human population through selective breeding or intervention. On the other hand, eugenics refers to the study or practice of improving the environment to enhance the well-being and development of individual populations. Physical and motor development is important because it enables individuals to participate in daily activities, explore their environments, and engage in physical play and sports. It also plays a role of cognitive and socio-emotional development as it affects a person's ability to interact with their surroundings and communicate effectively. Overall, physical and motor development encompasses the growth and maturation of the body and the acquisition of movement skills, both gross motor and fine motor, which are essential for overall development and functioning. Understanding the complexities of neuroscience and brain development is crucial for advancing our knowledge of how the brain works, how it develops throughout life, and how it influences our thoughts, behaviors, and emotions. This knowledge can help inform various fields such as medicine, psychology, and education, leading to better treatments for neurological disorders, improve educational strategies, and enhance overall well-being. The brain undergoes remarkable development throughout different stages of life. These major parts of the brain work together to support various functions and behaviors, contributing to our overall cognitive and physical capabilities. Biological and physical development is a complex process influenced by various factors. However, negative factors like poor nutrition, genetic disorders, unsafe environments, lack of health care, neglect or abuse, and sedentary lifestyle can hinder development and have long-term consequences. It is crucial to understand and address these factors to promote optimal biological and physical development. Developmental milestone and ecological theory. According to Giselle, each milestone built upon the previous one and children generally follow a specific sequence of development. For example, infants will typically first learn to roll over, then sit up, followed by crawling and eventually walking. Giselle believed that developmental milestones provide a framework for understanding a child's growth and can help parents and educators identify if a child is developing at a typical rate or may need additional support. While Bronfenbrenner proposed that the interaction between these different systems are dynamic and influence the individual's development, the theory recognizes the importance of considering the multiple layers of influence and the complex interaction between them when studying human development. In summary, developmental milestones provide a framework to understand the expected sequence of skills and abilities in children, while ecological theory considers the various environmental systems and their interactions that influence human development.